Yeah, I think Aaron fouled out. Yung 2 successive fouls niya, no? He would have been on the floor. That's all the downside ng off-tube coverage, you know. I think you can tell by now that I've been everywhere here. In all the places. That's humanly impossible if you're there in Thailand. But our team over there in Thailand, thank you very much. This is our last night actually. Tomorrow is long pass. Shot clock coming down to 13. He will drive, I suspect. Ball in. And we have the offensive rebound. It's been our asset here in the second half.
ingay
We
mo.
almost lose it. Curry was bottled out.
Tingnan mo yung pasain eh.
They
Teka
have
lang.
to go for a 3.
Clearly, Romero, in our possession, is a great tip for an offensive rebound. Lish right here tries to split the double team and look like took some extra steps.
Wala yan, kabado yan. Kabado yan, pagod na yan, no? Pagod na yan! Sinaplay mo pa!
Huge.
Crucial game ngayon!
They need the second one.
And then got a foul after.
Para sa single possession. Wala 4-point shot, di ba?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wala na! Pagod na yan!
Trying to get a steal or get a
Di
foul.
yan shoot yan! O, di ba? Pagod na! Ay, gagi!
Ball is loose. We have it. And a foul again.
Slip na, gago!
Just a little more.
Slip na daw kayo, sabi ni Molly.
What's the sleep sign? As he's taking
Slip
control
na daw kayo.
to put this game to Thailand.
Uy pa!
Natin, ano ba bukas? Sabado. May pasok pa kayo dyan. Yung nasa labas, gusto rin mag-party-party.
What a great place to celebrate
Talaga.
here. It's a nice place. Really nice weather. This is December Christmas air.
Iba rin kasi ang thrill ng multi-sports event no? Lalo na ikaw Pilipino pa susunod. So meron ka ng jacket na gano'n?
Of course!
Maingit naman ako bigla. Ganda ng jacket.
That is SPP office next week. I'll be
Dear Attorney Eric Eddy. By virtue of Larry Porcel. Gusto tayo dyan.
Sa court.
Ha?
17 ng first quarter. 38-27. May foul. Free throws tayo dahil penalty pa rin.
Thailand was playing really confidently. They could feel it the first half.
Ang ramdam mo no?
Yeah, they were celebrating. But, you know, like what Willie Wilson said, it's Paulo, you know, we didn't trust the coaching staff.
Pasok mo yan, Molly, para suruin na!
And the same thing they did yesterday against Indonesia.
They knew exactly how to adjust and turn this game around.
Uwi na!
Yasya!
Uwi na! Uwi na!
Night.
Ala, nasa 69-60 pa ang Pilipinas.
The best free throw shooters.
Uwi na! Uwi na! Tapos na! Uwi na! Nakangiti yan si Molly!
It's smell
Uwi
the gold
na!
medal in a few seconds.
Oh, uwi na! Uwi na! Wala na yan! Uwi na! Huwag yan na i-foul!
Lish and company, they need a 3. It's all-
Wala na!
No.
Wala na! Uwi na!
Philippines
Uwi na!
defended its second gold medal.
Naalo ko sila gago.
What a comeback, Larry Fonacher.
And what a comeback indeed it was. What an adjustment by the coaching staff. The players stayed composed. All
Oh, bago electric man to. Palano na ni Mama sa rapol.
whatsoever.
Ha?
Palano na ni Mama sa rapol.
Philippines wins
Rapol?
Oo.
its
Ah.
20th
Yan o,
goal
awak-awak mo.
of the SEA Games.
Electric pa na yan.
Okay, Larry Fonacher, your parting words. What a game. First time for us to work together, but what a game for us to remember, huh?
Now, very historic moment. I would like to work with you again, Sir Seth. Hating it.
You're a legend from the free throw line, and boy, we didn't imagine they would miss too many in the second half. So Larry, good luck to you to everything you do in the days ahead. Norman Black, what a job he has done. This ragtag team assembled so quickly, and given no time at all to prepare. But Thailand, what a straight effort.
Teka lang.
They will continue to
Ang init
challenge
yun
us.
pa.
Give credit. This is not Thailand
Coverage team, this is my last coverage for this event. Salamat sa patuloy nating samahan sa tibay at tatag ang pinalakas ng Pilipinas sa 33rd Southeast Asian Games 2025 Thailand. Mabuhay, Pilipinas!